Wash your shoes. Good morning. Yeah, alis na kami.
A little bit.
See ya, Mom.
Because sometimes footy.
Yeah. May gate kasi yung ano nila, yung...
Good.
Good?
Yes.
Clear as a clear?
Yes, ma'am.
There's no car. Oh, well, I'm not running that.
Why not?
Look how stinking.
See ya, Mom. I like that. Where are you going, babe? Ah. Say good morning to my vlog, kids.
Morning.
Morning. How far are we, honey? How far are we back?
Should be like 15 minutes.
15
Oh,
minutes?
Dad, there's a shop just across.
Not far pala. So, eto na yung second tryout for state ni Zachary. Under 12 football. Play hard sa. So, 56, right? 56 kids. Kung dati 260, this time 56 ang maglalaro. Tapos magpipick na sila ng 23, I think. Basta kasi 23 kasi alwa. How many?
35 or 30 or 35 and then they pick 23. So
Ah,
you still got 2 more trains to make.
para tong ano guys, grabe yung
So you
ano.
got to make this one first.
Okay. So sabi ni Jan, ito yung second, diba? So 56, baka raw pipili ng 30. Tapos after that, kung makuha si Zach, hopefully makuha ulit siya, magti-training ulit siya. So baka doon na sila kumuha ng 23 kids. Ano siya, as in ano yung tawag yun, yung training, ano talaga yung anong words ba dun sa training na yan? Kung sa atin, dadaan ka talaga sa butas ng Karaim. Kasi ang dami nila, diba? Ang dami nila. 260 kids. Tapos down to 56. Tapos from 56, 20 or 30, 23 or 30, 28 or 30 ang kukunin. From that, hindi namin alam kung ilan na kids ulit ang kukunin nila for 30 para ma-pick for 23. Are you putting the heat in nahan?
Yeah, just for the boots.
Oh, yung boots kasi ni Zach na pang, di ba may laro sila kahapon? Basa. Medyo basa. Dapat pala nilabas natin yung we should have took it out from the car yesterday.
No,
It wouldn't dry.
cold.
It's still cold.
They're dry, they just need a little bit of heat.
Heat.
So,
Okay. Kasi maano siya.
car just stunk of his footy boots when I opened it up.
Mabaho daw. Kasi nabasa siya. Kasi di ba umulan nung ano, naglaro sila. So, mabaho yung car. Pero ngayon okay. Kasi siguro binuksan niya kanina. Yung car bago siya naligo. Para sumingaw yung ano mang amoy yun. Lumabas ba yung amoy na yun? It's really peaceful.
It's quiet.
It's so quiet guys yung road. Kasi it's not long weekend. Kasi yung Anzac Day pala nung Friday. So kung nagkataon na yung Anzac Day is Saturday, long weekend ang Monday. Pero nagkataon yung Anzac Day is Friday. So hindi
They
na
don't have any food, do they?
long weekend. Si Kuya gutom na
I thought
naman.
it was plenty of.
Laging
Is that-
gutom ang kuya natin. What's this? There's new one. Punta muna kayo dito sa OTR para kuha natin ng may inom ang ating player. What do you want, Zach? Big water hand, long one. We need 2. Kuha sana ko ng ice.
I'm
Don't.
playing 3 games.
Huh?
What do you want 3 games? This time? Oh, kasi nag-cut down na. Nung first try out, grabe ilang games ang nilaro niya. Okay. Dog, get some now, kuya.
I'm coming.
Sa pambuhok ko. Sa play hard na. Tapos binibiro niya pa ang daddy niya kanina. I'm sore. Habi ni Jan. Yeah, it's only a little bit sore. No, I'm really sore. I don't think so I can run. So, sorry, you have to play hard. This time, this is your second. Sabi niya. Ano ito, ganun-ganun siya sa arte-arte niya. So, inaasar niya ang daddy niya. Pag ganyan-ganyan lang yan. Pero hopefully, mag-play hard talaga siya, guys. Kasi, pag nakuha to si Sak dito sa second tryout, tapos may third tryout, tapos nakasama siya, malaki yung opportunities para sa kanya sa footy kasi state na yung kinukuha nila, state yung paglalaruan niya, hindi na yung parang barangay, state na. So hopefully we'll see. Hintayin lang natin sila, kumuha lang sila ng maiinom. What's that?
Kids.
They have food, but they have to heat it up. Why you get this one, not the other one? Ah, you want this one?
That's what I'm like.
Ah, okay. Mas easy kasi yung isa, yung parang
What do you mean they have to heat it up?
sinasak
What they're
lang.
having?
Yeah, alright, Sak. You can eat later. You don't wanna...
Have a pile of sauce, so you don't have a crans.
Oh, Kransky. Masarap yung
We've
Kransky.
got to heat them up, now we're going to wait.
Oh. Ininit pa raw yung food. Kransky kay Kuya, tapos pie kay Holly. Bakit naman kain na sila? Gutom na agad. Dapat ang kumain ang player natin, pero hindi pwede kasi magtatatakbo siya, baka matai siya or sumakit ang tiyan niya. Susog naman. Yan, lalagyan ko sana ng ice. Ayaw ni Sak. Sabi niya, no, it's alright. Dito na sila. Smells good. You got, pie. Ah, you got sausage rolls, Papa. Ah, yeah, pie pala sila. Honey. Yeah, yung sun kasi na-block yung ice days dyan. Hindi niya kita yung kapusin lang, hindi mabilis yung takbo. Okay, let's do it. Ka-text din ni Sak yung kasama niyang napili, yung taga doon din sa ng Wari. Ganda ng road, hindi busy guys. Bakit kaya? Wala ba sigurong pasok dito? Do you think it's still holiday, Han, for them?
Sunday.
Ah, yeah, Sunday pala. Oh my God, kaya pala. Sunday pala. Oh, naiinis si Sak sa amoy ng pie tsaka Kransky ni Kuya. Mayroon akong price cake, masakit. So this is where we're gonna park. Can you go inside?
Huh?
Can you go inside?
No, oh, just there.
Yeah, I think you can, babe.
No, you can't park in there.
Inside, no? So where are we gonna park?
Just here. You can just walk in there.
Mas maganda dun sa kung saan ako na nag-try out si Sak kasi may park, may upuan. There's no seat naman.
What?
No, there is.
Oh.
May upuan pala. Parang siyang Are you allowed to park here, ha?
Yep, Channel 5, Sunday public holidays, yep.
Okay.
No problem.
Dito tayo. So dito kami.
No, watch out. Oh.
Just put the heater on for a bit, Han. For Sak's
Oh,
shoes.
that'd be right there.
Okay. So, ito yung area. May residence ang katapat ng oval nila. Is that residence? No, Han?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just want to wait 5, Zach, or you want to put them on now?
You wanna put your
Boots on now?
boots?
Hey.
Oh. Naiihi na siya.
Well, just...
Ready na siya. Is it dry, Sak?
Hey, baby, take that.
Okay.
I'll come back.
All right.
Do you think I need to wear this?
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Good luck, Saki boy. What time is it? 9, right? 9:30. Ayun na si John. Buti naman na maaga tayo para hindi tayo mahirapan maghanap ng parking. Kasi hindi tutulad dun sa isa kung saan si Sarah nag-try out. Merong madaming pwedeng parking. Dito hindi. Malapit tayo sa my gate. And ang gagamitin kong phone is yung isa kong gagamitin kong pang vlog kay Sak mamaya is yung phone, yung isa. Kasi eto wala tong pag-asa sa sa Zoom. Kasi ang Zoom nito malayo pa din.
And it's 8:46.
9:30 daw yung start. May mga nagsisidatingan na naghanap sila ng parking. Pwedeng pumasok. Ayun nga, pumasok sila.
No, why are people going in there?
Yeah. Pwede naman pumasok. May pumasok nga eh.
Dad said we can't park.
They can't. Maybe daddy doesn't know where to park inside. Maganda yung oval kasi mayroong upuan dun sa yung parang, ang tawag dun, elevated yung upuan. Yung para kang manunod ng concert, ganon. So maganda siyang oval. Mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo. Yung ating memory is 6 minutes na lang. Pasok na tayo dito sa oval. Naghatak po. And nandito na yung mga kids na magta-try out. Ako ang kinakabahan. Why is Holly there, Han? Okay, mag-toilet muna ako kasi ako yung... Where?
Walk straight under the bridge and walk straight ahead to that disabled one.
Okay. Ito yung itsura, guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito, oh. Yung makitang maayos. Andun na yung mga players, sa gitna. Si Holly, sinakbo niya sana yung Powerade pero hindi na umabot. Gamit ko na yung phone and hindi ko alam kung anong kulay dyan si Sak. As natin si Jan. Nandun sila dyan. Pwede naman dito maupo kasi mayroong bench. Ayan, oh. Dito nasan sila? Nandun sila, oh. Nandun sila. Ang layo nila. Ayan si Holly. Nasilayan ko na si Sak. Andun si Sak sa white team ata. Kasi yung kanyang yung posture niya, yung mga galawan niya, doon ko siya nabisto. So tinawagan ko si Jan para sure ako. Tama nga, white si Sak, number 18. Ayan. Yung tindig niya yan. Diyan ko siya nakilala kanina nung hinahanap ko anong kulay ng damit or yung jersey niya. Go, Saki. Bumalik ako sa aking family. So this time pala, yung laro, full oval sila. So yung dalawang team, kasama si Sak, nandun sila naghihintay kasi sila yung next na maglalaro. So parang dinivide sila for 4 teams. So wala pa dito si Sak. Hiningal ako, tumakbo kasi ako papunta dito. Ayun yung ating car. So malapit lang talaga tayo sa gate. Yan, si Jan may kausap na naman. Call center din yun eh. Si Sak, parang kinakina si Sak maglaro. Andun siya. Sinisigawan niya yung friend niya, yung taga ng Wari. Nasa siya, blue team. Naglalaro siya ngayon. Si Jimmy. Jimmy, right? Yeah? Yeah. Pinecone, yeah. Palit ako ng sticker na kahap kasi ang lamig. Babe, unlock the carpet. Pinatong ko lang yung suot ko kahapon para ma-survive natin ang lamig. Yeah, si Sak na pala ang next. Ayan, sila na yung next. Good luck, Sak. Grabing kabog ng aking puso. And eto yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na upuan na elevated. Yung parang pa-concert. Maganda yung nila oval dito sa Prospect. And meron din dito mga upuan. Yan na, mag-start na. Go, Saki. Si Sak. Nasaan si Sak? Where is he? Maybe he's in the back. Ah, over there, Kuya. At the back. Go, Saki. Forward line. Daw si Sak. Go kick it to Sak. Come on, kick it. Come on. Oops. Hi, Han. Nandito yung aming family. Well done, Sak. Ayun, dito na si Sak.
Jack.
Go, Saki. Nana Sia.
Let's switch.
And Auntie Talana. And the cousins. Yeah. That's Zachary.
Go, Jack.
Go, Sak! What do you call that, Han? Is it in the center? Forward. Tapos na yung laro nila, Sak. Ngayon, blue team naman against green. Ayan. Bigyan ni Hunter ng tubig yung pinsan niya kasi ayan na si Sak. He's coming. Hindi to happy si Sak kasi yun naman yung tatlo. Nagkukulit na for Christmas. Lagi, always that one. Ayan, tapos na yung blue at saka green. Sila Sak naman saka yung yellow ang maglalaro. Ano kayang position ni Sak?
Ito, dito siya.
Yeah, yan siya, ma'am. Coming, ayan, na puti. Number 18.
Tapos yung bola eh.
Go, Sak.
Go, Saki!
Si Sak, siya lang naglalaro sa kanyang sarili kasi yung mga yung mga taga-syudad, sila lang din kasi kilala nila eh. Ayun si Sak. Go, Sak! Go, Sak!
Go, Saki!
Go, run, Sak!
Go! Yes!
Good job, Saki!
Come on.
Go, Sak. Good job, Saki.
Go. Kick again.
Kick! Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Something wrong with Zachary's. Yung paa niya ba? Parang may something. Go, Sak! Go, Sak! Here on the side. Go, Sak! Go, 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 Sak! Oh.
Come on.
Go, go. Run back, Saki! Go, Sak!
What's the ball, Bob?
Go, Sak! Oh, why is kicking that side? Oh, yeah. Doon pala sila. Na-confuse na tayo.
Back out the back.
Sak!
Go square.
Sak,
in.
go.
Go.
Yes.
Good job, Saki!
Kick big.
Good! Good job, Sak. That's Saki. Go, Sak.
Come on. Not as big as the entire thing.
Oh!
Yeah.
Go! Run! Come on. Oh, no. Go, Sak! Go, Sak!
Saki.
Kick it, Sak! Good job, left. Wow, good job, Sak. Proud na na. Titas. Go, Sak.
Yes.
Go, Sak.
Yes. Go. Go, Saki. Come on, Sak. Come back. Don't follow the ball.
Go, Sak.
Go. Come on. Good. She's down. See if I get the ball, I don't start that way.
Only if they're playing numbers in. There's only a one-on-one or...
Oh, yeah. Come on.
If there's plenty of numbers, you mix and you say, right, because what's going to happen is they'll kick it straight there. But even in this game, you know, there's 11, sorry.
Yes.
Go, Sak.
Go, Saki.
Go, Sak.
Go, Saki.
Good tackle.
Tsaka si, ano, si
Go, Sak.
Tejo, tsaka si Sak.
Kick it.
Go, Sak. Make it your ball. Yes,
Yes.
good boy.
Good job. Go, Sak.
Yeah, quick. Pagindalan.
Oh.
Zach, to the ball. Get in the square. Mate. It's coming.
Yung tatanda nagbibilang ng pine cones. Nag-iimbak na sila for Christmas.
103.
103 pine cones. Oh. How many you got left? Oh! Boom! Boom! I saw you. How many? Do you know how many pine cones? No.
Go, big fella.
Good job, Sak. Yung team niya, ma'am, no? Takbo.
Help him, darling.
Go, Zach.
Yes, come on.
Good job, Sak! Oh. Go, Sak! Alis na sila kasi may laro rin si Hunter. Tapos na. Hindi pa tapos na siya doon sa isang game.
Head the toilet.
Number 2.
Toilet, here. Here. There's a toilet here.
Make hungry to the bowl, darling.
Get hungry down to the bowl, sabi ni Nana. Come on.
I've got 15 minutes.
15 minutes. So say see you to Nana.
Good luck, darling. Good luck. You're playing good.
Yeah, helps when you're around the footy, doesn't it?
Talana, I go to
Have fun.
Okay. Yun sa atin, ma'am. Doon sa side, ma'am. Sa side tayo doon. Done good. Good luck, Nak. Say see you to Sak. Sak. Good luck, Sak. Say, cuddle, Sak. Cuddle. Okay. Do your best, Nak. You done well. Oh my God. See ya. Love you. See ya. Good luck daw, Hunt. Good luck, Hunt. See you, Willow. See you, Ma'am. Yeah. Thank you. See you, Ma'am. Sila naman yung maglalaro. So, papalit-palit lang. So, pang tatlo na ata ito ni Sak. This is the third game, Kuya? Yes, third game ni Sak. Huh? He's in the center now. Yan yung favorite niyang spot. Go, Sak. Go, Sak. Yeah, you don't kick to Sak. Go, Sak. Go, Sak. Yeah, they don't give it to Sak. Magka-team sila. Hindi talaga. So, kailangan ni Sak magkusa siyang makuha niyang bola. Dahil kung hindi sa kanya pinapasa sa mga kakilala. So, tapos na sila, Sak. Pasok naman yung ibang team. Ayan. Tapos na yung yellow and blue. Green and white naman sila, Sak naman. Maglalaro. So, papalit-palit lang. Every 15 minutes ang laro. Go, Sak. Go hard. Go, Saki. Go harder dito ngayon, boy. Ano na naman, masakit na naman. Yung pa niya may something. Ayan siya. Push harder, Sak. Okay. He can hear you. Tapos may aeroplano pa. Sana yung plane.
Where are you? Yeah, what?
Forward. Forward. Ang mga ka-team ni Sak ay ang kasing liit niya din. Yung mga kalaban nila, yung ibang like yung green, yellow, and blue, malalaki. Si Sak na pa, sama sa maliliit. Sumisigaw ng daddy. Hindi rin kasi sa kanya pinapasa ang bola kahit yung mga ka-team niya. Kung hindi si Sak makakuha ng bola, wala siyang chance na mahawakan ang bola. So, kailangan niyang magsumikap sa sarili niyang sa sarili niyang kakayahan na makuha ang bola. Go pass it to Sak. Go, Sak. Oh. Go, Sak.
Why is that?
Bounce. Good job. Yeah. I know. Sabi sa dyan. Tumakbo ka kung nasa ng bola para makuha mo. Naka-point si Sak. No, see? He's not giving to Sak. No, I know. Si John naiinis kasi hindi talaga sa kanya pinapasa kahit nasa goaler si Sak. So, kailangan talaga si Sak ang kumuha ng bola. Katin niya na yan. Go get it, Sak, sabi niya. Sariling sikap ang Saki boy natin dito kasi yung katim niya, parang hindi niya rin katim. natin. Sak! Hindi happy ang Saki boy natin. Sak! Pass it to Sak! Do something. Go! Go! Give it to Sak! Go, Christian! Go get it, Sak. Go, Sak.
Ayun na, sige na.
Okay, tapos na.
Mix naman nila no?
Kaya nga, tingnan, sila talagang pinakamalit na team. Yung white, tingnan nyo yung green, lalaki. Yung yellow, malalaki. Yung blue din, malalaki doon. Nandun sila.
Ilan kasi yung 18 yan, no?
18. Oo. Sakay-sak, diba? Tingnan nyo. Hindi nga, sabi ko sa'yo. Kaya wala sang kanyang chance na makuha ang bola. Ayun si Sak, kawawa man ang Saki boy natin. Dito pinapasa sa ano. Tawag niya, tinatawag niya, hindi man, diba? Tinatawag
Dito palagi nila, dito siguro
diba?
makakakilala.
Oo, kawawa man si
Nandito
Sak,
sa akin.
tinatawag ni Sak na dun sa kanya ipasa. Pinasa naman dito sa isa.
Palagi dito sila nagkapasa.
Hindi naman sa kanya, never pa, hindi ko pa, nakita niyo na bang napasa kay Sak? Hindi pa. Nagsasariling sikap si Sak sa sarili niyang ano.
So pag doon ka pala, hindi ka pa pwede pumunta dito, no?
Hindi, kasi yung ano mo, depende ko ipapasa nga sa'yo ng team mo. Hindi nga pinapasa sa kanya. Kasi hindi naman siya kilala. Go, Sak. Kaya tingnan mo si Sak, siya na lang nag-chase sa bola. Natawag niya, go,
Ayan.
pass it, Sak.
Go, Sak! Yes!
Good job, Sak. Wow, tayo lang. Go, Sak.
Go, Sak!
Pass. Yes.
Yes!
Good job.
Ayun.
Ay. Ay, lumabas na ba?
Nilabas. Wah!
Oh, good job, Sak. There, oh, toilet there. Go, Sak!
Samahan mo! Samahan mo! Samahan mo, ate! Dito rin ako sa side na.
Sa left. Oh. Nasaan si Sak? Go! Pass it to Sak! Come on! Pass it to... Go, Sak! Okay,
Oh,
go, Sak! Come on! No, tingnan mo, ipapasa niya. Nahanap siyang... Pasa mo na sa katim mo, kahit sino dyan. Go, Sak!
Oh, wala.
Yan, go, Sak!
Ay,
Last game na to eh. Ito na yung last. Go. Nasaan na si Saki boy? Tapos na. So, we'll see kung anong mangyayari. Maigpit ang labanan. Oh my God. Nakakakaba. Pero at least nakasama siya sa second tryout. Ayan na. Tapos na guys. We'll see. Oh. I'm here, Sak. I'm here. Mommy's here.
We want to see more kick to grass. That is our asset. We run, carry, take the game on. All right, there's a lot of fit kids here. There's a lot of good midfielders.
where's that?
There.
There.
Good luck. Ah. Ayan na si dito si Sisi. Oh. Kasi magko-Costco kami. May kukunin ako sa Costco. Tapos si Mers. Kitain na lang namin siya sa Costco. See you at Costco. Busy dito sa Costco. Ang hirap mangharap ng parking. Si Mers doon naka-park, kami doon sa kabila. Ayun ang trolley. Walang trolley. Wala pang hinahanap na trolley. Okay. Ay, ikaw pala. Tumakbo pa ako. Ikaw lang pala yung kukuha.
Wala kailangan mabilis.
Mabilis ka dapat dito. We're good. Ayan na. May trolley na tayo. Yung dalawa, oh. Bumili ako ng juicer pala doon. Pa isa-isa. Huwag lahat. Pa isa-isa lang. Ito ko, kumuha ulit ng
Avocado oil. What?
avocado oil. This is too many people here. Nasaan yung olive oil natin? Hindi. Ayan, gusto mo yan. Ha? Avocado.
Kasi hindi siya pwede sa high heat, no?
Oo.
Ha?
Avocado oil. Hindi ko makita yung avocado oil. Where is it? Sure?
There. Avocado oil's not here.
Olive oil. Yeah, dito yung part kung nasa yung mga oil. Wala. Saan kaya? Wala, hindi ko makita sis. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wala kayong makitang avocado oil. Grape seed ang pinalit. Dito yun eh. Wala talaga. Olive oil. Wala. Where are you going?
Oh dear, you found it.
What do you want?
Where do you get this stuff? Oh.
Freeze dried, what's that? What's that?
Freeze dries rainbow dust.
Oh, why?
Where do you get
I don't know.
I found it.
Ayan, nakakuha siya ng seaweed.
Oh my god.
The mini one.
The Oreo one.
Put it in the under.
Kumuha pa si Sak ng another seaweed. You're done?
I just want to say all the freeze dried stuff.
Okay.
Hati sa otren.
Sarap? Try nga. Masarap? Try ko nga. Dito tayo sa malamig. Ano? Johnny Boy tart. Custard tart. Diba? Wow, ng buffalo wings. Buffalo wings. Babe! Where are they? Ayan, buffalo wings. Kaya nga.
Pero kahit malamig, masarap siya.
Si Oli mahilig din dyan.
Just get one of them. Nibble
No,
or live
no.
or-
That's raw. There's some raw.
That's too much.
Yeah, too much.
No, it's just them.
This one. Gusto sana nila kaso ang laki. Walang maliit. Yung half lang sana. Mag-shopping.
Like I don't hold mom because it's saucy.
Okay lang isa kasi ano,
I like the green one.
thank you. See
See
you.
you guys. We'll see you.
See you, ate. See you.
Next Sunday, we'll see you.
See ya, see ya.
Good job.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Nagiwalay na kami ni Sisi Mers. Thank you, Mersy. Nag-KFC daw kami for lunch. Meron sana doon na kainan sa Koso kaso ang daming tao. Ang daming tao. Sunday kasi so
Just there?
ang daming mga nag-shopping.
No.
What you want?
TJ, go and help Zach. Who's getting what?
I'm getting a small chicken tender box.
Right, Zach.
Okay.
I'm getting Wait, do we
large-
have water?
Yeah.
No, I'm just getting a small original tenders.
TJ, what are you having?
Zinger box.
Right, so you need to go and KFC. I'm going.
Oi, Dad. Can you get me a milkshake from there?
Hiwa-hiwalay kami eh. Yung mga bata gusto nila KFC. Si John nandun siya sa kabila, McDonald's. So dito tayo sa mga bata. Samahan natin sila. Si John nakikita ko tapos na siyang kumain. Ayun o, tingnan nyo. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. Hi! Kami nihintay pa namin yung food. Ayun siya o. I don't think so. I don't think so si Baba. And we're waiting. Oh my God, ang tagal ng order nila. Takes us forever here, kuya. Take us forever. Kanina pa kami, ang tagal ng order. Si Jan tapos na. Take us forever. Takes forever daw. May pinorder kay Jan, french fries, tsaka yung McFlurry. Tunaw na siguro yun. How's my McFlurry, babe? Melting? You're finished?
Yeah.
Ages ago. Kanina pa siya tapos kumain.
What's that drink?
What is this drink is this?
Ordered when we come out.
That's
You're
right.
joking.
When you were eating.
They wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do anyone's order.
Tunaw na. Oh, that's so big, yeah. Sarap ng pagkain ni Kuya. Ayan siya. Sa akin, tunaw na. Oh. Tunaw na talaga siya.
Oi, look at that.
That's that going off. Keep the bag, mate, for the rubbish.
Dad, I thought you were going to be mad when we walked out.
Why?
Because I was taking for ages.
I thought you were eating it.
Kala niya, kumakain daw kami
And
doon.
they didn't even give me receipts.
Where's
so
my
I just took
straw?
this.
Huh? Where are you, Baba? Can see. I think we're so mean. Si Kuya pala, meron siya dyan na chicken and burger. Naubos niya na yung chicken. Si Holly, chicken tenders. Si Isaac, pareho sila ni
There's
Holly.
like no meat on the bones.
Ayan. Ribs kasi yung sa kanya, masarap yung para
No,
sa
it
akin.
wasn't a rib one.
No, it was a ribs. Because there's a lot of bones at the back. That's ribs. Yeah. Ito, wala ng pag-asa. Hindi na siya masarap. Milkshake. Tapos yun, hindi na rin masarap. Malamig na. Tagal kasi namin doon sa, sa loob ng KFC. Ang tagal talaga. Si Jan, nakakain na, nakapag-rest na.
I'm a hangman. If you mess this up, you really let me down. You know that I'm afraid of tiny spaces. How could you leave me in too high? I can't tell the difference in their faces. Monsters come in different shapes and sizes. Cause nowhere else to be. Small voices singing set me free. Set me free. 'Cause I think I do want you next to me.